Bamberg, and this specific type of ruler were the prince bishops. The prince bishops, and they ruled Bamberg from the late or early 1100s until the 1800s, because in the 1800s Bamberg, or the Kingdom of Bamberg, joined Bavaria. I was in the beer garden with my family, and my mother said too loudly, "Oh yes, we are here in Bavaria." Suddenly everyone was silent, and the waiter approached us and said quite firmly, "No, we are here in Franconia, and say we are here in Franconia."
This was medieval, and it changed to Baroque. And the ruler gave people money to renovate the ground floor, and then more if they did the next floor, etc. Behind the Baroque exterior is half-timbered medieval style. Long considered one of Germany's most beautiful towns, Bamberg was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1993. He wrote the story, The Nutcracker.
After him, even though he hated living here. And with that being said,
This was a Jewish neighborhood.
the cathedral the way it was built, and in 1910, when it was finished, the larger one substituted the two former ones. One of them was located right at the spot where we're standing. I'm going to show you a metal plaque in a moment. But this is the large one. This one was basically put there right at the relationship in 1910. However, we all know what happened only 28 years later. On the 9th of November 1938, it's called the Night of Crystal Bells in English. In German we call it the Reichspogrom Night, simply because we don't associate this night with something beautiful as crystal. And therefore, during the night, Nazis went around and mostly killed a lot of people, but also burned down most shops owned by Jewish families, and also burned down most synagogues. The other 500 thought maybe it's not too bad here, we can still stay here. However, all 500 of them, during the war, they were deported and died in concentration camps outside of Bamberg. Again,
1950,
in Bamberg, we want to rebuild
some Jews
and they
returned.
started in the 50s, and they succeeded. Because in the early 2000s, they were able to reopen this rather modern-looking synagogue. And the synagogue was...
There was a synagogue here from 1800s to 1910.
See that? Yes. So we're just gonna walk.